Ahoy Industry 4.0 community. So quick update on the month of July. So this announcement's a couple of days late, but as some of you may know and some of you may not know, each year I try to take the month of July off as a sabbatical. Generally the last week in June and then the entire month of July as a sabbatical to work on technical projects, to work on administration, and to get some R&R. So this month I'm taking the month of July off. So today's July 8th when I'm shooting this video. So what that means is, in general, I won't be shooting any content. I won't be doing any of my normal day-to-day stuff. I'm on sabbatical for the month of July. I've got 3 major announcements, 3 major things that I've been working on. I won't be doing any of my normal day-to-day stuff. I'm on sabbatical for the month of July. I've got 3 major announcements, 3 major things that I've been working on. Number one, I'm working on an automation project for the Industry 4.0 community. So that automation project is a program that's going to be running in a PLC next that will have a series of simulations that we're going to share to the community unified namespace that people will be able to subscribe to and build applications off of. That's number one. Number two, we're putting together our content schedule for the month of August, September, and October. And number 3, I'm working on completing step 2 for the mentorship program. So we've got 270 something members in mentorship now, and most of them are starting in step 1, but we've got a handful of folks who have started step 2. Module 1 of step 2 has been completed for months, but module 2, we've been waiting on the new release of TatSoft's Factory Studio, which I just got a text message from Dave Hellier this morning that version 9.2 is ready in beta. So that's the version we're waiting for in order for us to finish the second module. So the good news is we should be able to see that here in a couple of weeks. Our team's going to take a look at it. It is ready in beta. So when I get out of sabbatical at the end of this month, we should have module 2 for step 2 completed, and that's looking good. The other thing is, you guys may or may not know, but I'm writing a book. I've been writing a book now for about 2 years. I've been grinding pretty heavily through the chapters the first 8 days of this month. And the book is just basically about overcoming diversity and how you can turn challenges in your life into coats of armor. So, and we don't have a release date for the book yet. I anticipate I'll be done by the end of September with that. But I wanted the community to know that, hey, the reason I haven't been on content is because I am on sabbatical this month. I am working. I do work from 4 in the morning till about 9 in the morning on normal admin for my companies. But the rest of the day, I'm working on sabbatical tasks. And so coming out of the month of July, we should have step 2, module 2 for the mentees done. I may be on one of the Q&As this month, but I think everyone should operate on the assumption that I won't be on any of the Q&As or shooting any content whatsoever. You guys may notice that I haven't been on Discord. I'm actually not responding to any messages, any LinkedIn stuff. The team is still checking the LinkedIn messages, but for the month of July, I'm just focused on these sabbatical tasks, and then I'll be back at it first week in August. So anyway, I miss the entire community. If you guys need to get a hold of me in an emergency, you can reach out to Vaughn and or Zach, and they'll be able to get a hold of me, and I will make sure I get your question answered. So anyway, enjoy your month. Take some time for R&R, and I'll see you guys in August. Thanks.